Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going to do a virtual contest on the Biweekly Contest 104. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. My internet's kind of really bad. That's why I didn't do this live. Also, I'm right now I'm in Greece, in Athens. So definitely there's some time zone things as well. But yeah, let me know what you think. Each problem will have its own video, so definitely check up on that. And yeah, and I'm going to scroll down slowly and wait to get started. Yep. All right. Let me see. I think that's all I have. So let's get started. I'm only on my laptop. Hopefully, I don't need anything else. We'll see. Okay. Virtual contest. Let's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go go go. Though this time it seems to load pretty quickly, actually. All right. 60 years old. The last two characters, right? Oh no, the. That's it. Eh? This is like a reading problem. So 15. So what's that? 12, 11. So 11, 13. Strictly. Hope this is right. This seems like it can easily go wrong. 2 and 0. Let me also just print age. Why not, right? Because I feel like a wrong answer is 5 minutes. This will take like another 20 seconds or so. Okay, I mean at least the columns match up, so I'm happy about that. Let's submit it. I'm talking a little bit more because this is, it's still virtual, even though I try to take it seriously, obviously. All right, let's go. Summon a matrix. Each row's okay, obviously, yeah. Seven. For each row in the matrix. Okay, so then you basically get the max and then, okay. And 1, let's go. Int object not editable. Oh. Also, I'm using laptop keyboard and no mouse, so this may be a little bit slower for that reason, but that's fine. All right. Nums and okay, you can choose. Okay. Oh, k is equal to 2. The maximum possible value. Oh, it's only 15. But still 10 to the 5th choose 15 is pretty high. Okay, let's see, what am I doing? Bitwise. Do we always want greedy? think we always want greedy, right? Even if it overlaps, that's fine. You shift it and it's still better than is that true? Such was 24 and 9. No, I mean, if it's greedy, then K shouldn't be 15, but maybe 15 is 25. So greedy doesn't work because it just becomes, because 20 or 12 is 9 is, what do we call it? I'm trying to think whether it makes sense to do it on more than one number on K. So I think we just do it for I think all the K numbers should be on one number, because it really doesn't make sense to shift more than one number or less than one number. So okay, so then now we have to do the prefix suffix maybe. Okay, let's do it that way then. Well, I could do it that way. I could just do a count. So let's just do a count. Okay. And a little bit of a hint is that if you use a language, it should be long. Yeah, okay. Python, it kind of, that's one thing of Python, I guess, is that sometimes it hides from it. Okay, and then now for X. Okay, and then I'm probably doing this way not effectively, but hopefully Leetcode is not silly enough and it's fast enough. If content is greater than 0. A little bit slow on this setup, keyboard, whatever. Okay. And then now reset, and then although this is not count, this is current. Was it X times? Maybe I should cache the thing, but yeah. List object, whoops. Being a little dumb today. That's okay, a little bit rusty. 30, 35, okay. Hopefully no TLE, because I'm a little bit lazy on the running time. I could probably, with TLC, I'll be sad actually, to be honest. But that was probably borderline, I don't know, let's see. 7 seconds. I probably could have optimized that one with prefix suffix. I was just lazy. I thought that would be fast enough. Anyway, okay. Okay. So numbers represent a string for some power of a group of heroes is defined as I sub 0, I sub max. Okay, so the power is the max square times the min. Turn the sum of all powers of non-empty. What the? Alright, mod. Man, that escalated quickly. Okay, I mean, I think this is a similar thing. It was this problem, right? Like, I feel like we did similar problems than this before. But I don't remember it offhand, so okay, so how many if I is the min, right? Is it easier to do the min or the max? Guess it doesn't really matter. Because it's the sum of all the suffix maxes. If I is the min, what am I doing? If I is the min, then if I is the max, then you just sum up all the things. How many things are there for one? How am I saying this? If I is the min, I mean, it goes both ways. It's like then it is the sum of 2. I forget. Though, I mean, this is clearly going to overflow if I don't forget. So, but that never stopped me from being wrong before. Okay. How am I doing? Wow, people are done already. Okay, well, I guess this is a problem that I've done before, but I think I'm just blanking out today, and I don't want to look it up, like how I've done before. Maybe that's what I've done during contests, but I might as well try and learn. How many times is this going to be? Max. Yes, max. But then how do you add the sum? If 1 is the min, then two is the max. I mean, that's n squared. That's why I don't know. N squared is going to be too slow. Is there a shorthand for it? I guess it's just like some sort of prefix thing. I guess so. Maybe? Let me play around with it. Something like this, maybe. No, that's not good. Oh, yeah, right, because I'm multiplying. But actually, what I want is not that. Is it? Maybe it is. I don't know. Let's play around with it. Okay. So we have 1. Maybe you have 1. I need, in this case, it's not a prefix, or maybe a suffix. Be myself good at this. Is the summation of all the smaller numbers. That's not enough because there's a subsequence, right? Yeah. Even though they don't say it that way actually, but oh, I see. Because then now it is not all. No, it is. It is the sum of all things that includes itself. I can't really do it this way. It doesn't scale the way that I'm doing it. This one feels so familiar, but I just am blanking out on it. Can I do negatives? Subtract them out later. Huh. I think this is one where I'm supposed to use asymmetry, but I'm blanking out on it. Maybe I'm just too tired today. So 1. Can I do sliding window of sorts? Right. Okay. Oh, got it. Okay. So let's say we start 1, 1. So that's just 1. And then now you go to 2. 2 would then now times 1 times the number of gap. It's something like this, but not really, right? Right, and then now basically something like right, and then now when we shift to the right, what happens? Maybe I have to do it another way. Something like that, maybe? Nope. Not at all. But it feels something like this, but not enough. Okay, so let's do type 1. Oh, because this is sum. That's not quite right either. It's basically okay. So the idea here is that with 1 to 4, and then now we start at 1 times 1 times 1. That's fine. And then the last will be 1. Right? Yeah. And then when we shift to 2, then now the last will be 1 times 2 plus 2. Right? And then when we shift to 4, when we shift to 2, maybe it's off by 1. This is a little bit weird though. Yeah, I don't think, I mean, that's why it's a little bit weird. But when we shift to 2, 2 will just have 1, but also have 2, right? Because it has itself. When we have 4, then the 1 has 2 degrees of freedom, and the 2 does not. And then let's say we have another number 10, then now this has 2 degree of freedom, and this has only, well, 1 degree of freedom. I see. What am I missing here? Something like this, maybe? No. What am I doing? Okay, so that's not quite right, is it? But why is this off? What am I off by? Because when it gets to 2, 1 is still not yet. And 4, and then 10 and 10. I think I'm just off by 1 loop because I have to do it this way. Okay. Okay. I mean, I guess that I see why people got in like 2 minutes. I'm a little bit slow on this one, but I think I just needed to work it out. I was just being lazy. And I think this is one of those problems where if I had I think I was just too arrogant in that I was trying to do everything in my head. You can kind of see it, right? Because during the thing, during the screening, as soon as I put it on screen, like how I did the math, I got it right. So, or like maybe a little bit, like I knew I was off by a little bit, but I knew how to fix it. So I think that was pretty much it. But I see how people got it very quickly. If I just had, this is definitely a problem if I had just pen and pencil, or pencil and paper. Would have been very fast, maybe. But I didn't though, so, and I didn't think that way. I was trying to do too much in my head. I'm trying to see if anyone to give a shout out to. I don't know that I see anybody. Let me know if I forgot someone. But yeah, I don't know. Overall, I did like this contest. Seems pretty fun. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you did. And yeah, stay good, stay healthy, do good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.